Hey everybody, we're making some spaghetti. Just got hamburger brown. So, I think it's good and brown. We'll take a look. We got to get some noodles in. Put in some noodles. And we're going to put some sauce in. I'll let you see that here in a little bit. But, yeah. So you want to get ready. Well, let's see if we can put the noodles in. These are the noodles. Noodles are in. Okay. Now we're going to mix her together and try it. That's how she looks. Well, I guess that's it for this one. And yeah, I've been thinking today, and I don't think I'll be doing 6 p.m. live tonight either. But yeah, that's my dinner today. I hope everybody has a good one.